Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how to solve linear equations. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. Okay, so in my last video we talked about functions. We did a brief introduction to functions, and in this video we are going to be solving linear equations. Let me just recap a little bit on the last video. So in our last video we said a function is written as f of x or g of x or h of x equals an expression, let's say 3x minus 5. So if your input here is 10, you say f of 10, which will be 3 times 10 minus 5, which would give us 3 times 10, that's 30. 30 minus 5, which is 25. So 25 is your output, 10 is your input. So for today's video, we are going to be looking at how to solve linear equations. Sometimes you may be given a question where these expressions are equated to other expressions. For example, let's say here we have 3x equals 5. So let's say 3x equals 5. Sorry, 3x minus 5. Here we have 3x minus 5. So let's say 3x minus 5 equals x plus 8. So we have these expressions on both sides, and with the equal sign between them, you call them equations. So to solve this, the first thing you do is to bring like terms together. 3x is like x, minus 5 is like plus 5. We just want to bring them together on the same side, each of them on the same side. So for 3x, we want x to be with 3x. So to bring x over to the side of 3x, it crosses the equal sign and the sign changes. You have 3x minus x equals 8. And to bring minus 5 over to this side, the sign changes to we have plus 5. So this means 3x minus 2 minus x, that's 2x, equals 8 plus 5, that's 13. And to solve for x, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, that's 2. So divide by 2, divide by 2. This goes, I have x equals 13 over 2, or I can say this is equals 6 whole number 1 over 2, or I can say this is equals 6.5. In whatever form I decide to put it down, as an improper fraction, mixed fraction, or decimal, it's correct. So I'm going to pull up an example, this example. So let's work on this for a moment. So we want to solve for, let's put this down. We want to solve for 8x minus 8 equals minus 2 in bracket x minus 6. So to solve for this, what's the first thing that should happen? Remember your order of operations. We would like to open this bracket first. So that will be 8x minus 8 equals minus 2 times x, that will be minus 2x. Minus 2 times minus 6, that's plus 12. So now we are going to be bringing like terms together again. So we have 8x, this comes over here, that's plus 2x equals 12, this goes over here, that's plus 8, and that will give us 10x equals 20. And to solve for x, we'll be dividing both sides by 10, which is the coefficient of x. And this gives us x equals 2. So our value for x is 2. So what you would notice in these questions is that you have two different functions on the both sides of the equation. And when these two functions are equated, you solve them as a linear function. And your goal in solving this is to find the value of x. When you have two functions equated, or even if you have a function and then a constant on the other side, for example, you could have 8x minus 4 equals 10. This is a constant on the other side. So the only thing you would have to do is to put like terms together, then solve for x. So let's look at this last question. Take out some time and try it as an assignment. So that will be the end of this video. For now, we'll be continuing our topic on functions in the next video, and I hope to see you there. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Like the video, share with your friends, and see you on the next one.